The challenge for us is to grow daily in our faith and commitment to Him until we see Him face to face. Good day. I am Father Bert Sepe, one of the Redemptorist Fathers here in Cebu. And welcome to our daily palandong, ang pamalandong sa pulong. Today, we celebrate the feast day of the two great pillars of our faith, Saint Peter and Saint Paul. What truly distinguishes these two men is not their skills or talents, but their unyielding devotion to the Lord's mission. Their faith and dedication to the Lord Jesus are the true measure of their greatness. Their path to faith in the Lord Jesus were transformative. Peter's calling occurred amid the daily work as a fisherman, while Paul's conversion took place at the height of his role as a devout Jew persecuting the Christians. Yet their faith was not something immediate. It grew as they continued to know and encounter the Lord in the unfolding events of their lives. Today, in our Gospel reading, after having been with His disciples for some time, Jesus asked them who He was to them. Inspired by the Spirit, Peter proclaimed, "You are the Messiah, the Son of God. Ikaw ang Mesiyas, ang anak sa Diyos." Now, Peter's proclamation of faith ushered him into a new role in the company of Jesus' disciples. He was made the head of the Lord's close companions. And though Peter wavered in the Lord's trial, he was eventually restored and he promised to feed the Lord's sheep. Now, our experiences also tell us that our faith in the Lord grows gradually as we come to know and grow in our relationship with Him. Niadtong bata pa kita, linghod usab ang atong pagtuo sa Dios ug dili pa kay tadako ang atong commitment sa iya. Pero sa atong pagdako, mitubo usab ang atong pagtuo kaniya o ang atong commitment sa iya. Kina atong makita diha sa atong mga desisyon nga atong ginahimo ug sa mga commitment nato sa atong kinabuhi. Isip, usa ka asawa, usa ka bana, usa ka religyoso o pari, o laiko nga nagalihok diha sa atong simbahan o sa katilingban. The challenge for us is to grow daily in our faith and commitment to Him until we see Him face to face. So the question Jesus asked His disciples is also being given to us. Who do you say that I am? Kinsa man si Kristo diha sa atong kinabuhi karon. Ang atong tubag niini, adunay dakong koneksyon sa atong inadlaw-adlaw nga pugpuyo ug sa atong relasyon sa uban. And so we ask the Lord for the grace that we continue to grow in our faith and commitment to Him. God bless you.